Yeah, today I'm doing the fashion show. I'm Sweta Reddy. I'm launching the label of Nakshatra. I have already had a decade of experience in this fashion designing. I've been into multiple experience. I worked for the fashion industry. I've been working at various places and for assisting even at the various states and at the designers also. Today I'm officially launching my label, the signature label of Nakshatra. This is about most of the wedding destination weddings and all the other outfits also. And the fashion show is all about the wedding outfits that we are launching today out of after Corona, the 1 year that we hit here. So we thought we'll show something new to the all the clients which are desperately waiting and they're looking for something, a change, which I wanted to be made it very colorful so that everybody would hit back and come out of this Corona and let's celebrate as a festival. The theme of this is the wedding theme, and here the participants are both the male and female, 8 pairs together. Yeah, I did work with the Tollywood industry for a couple of years, and later I've been work with all the big names in the market. I have got an experience not only to say particularly in one kind of the fashion outfits, but it is in the various fields. I have worked for the back end of the fashion fields and worked as even a stylist. So my experience is not into particular only a fashion designing, but it's always that I've been even as an entrepreneur. Yeah, I did work with the Shruti Hassan and Trisha, Shreya. There are like a couple of multiple even the actors, Ravi Teja. So this is all I worked as from the back end. So it was with even few of the big names, with the directors, with the movies also. Not to be mentioned in particular, but there are few, many more. Mainly I was inspired this Nakshatra, and it is named after my daughter. Nakshatra means a sparkle, a star, which gives a ray of hope. So fashion, I feel, is not about something the body reveal, but it is about the comfort that everybody would feel themselves very comfortable and trendy in the market. And it's about all the bright hues.